Hello, welcome back to Traveling CODA. Today, I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what this store looks like. Habitat for Humanity ReStore. So I'm going to show you the inside so you can get an idea. And today we are actually looking for some cabinetry to see if there's anything for upper cabinets, maybe lower cabinets. We're going to see what they have. And maybe we're going to go look at the sinks and see what they might have. Because remember the $7 sink? Woohoo, good price. Summer was like, we have a cast iron pan. And she doesn't want to drop it and hit the sink and break it. So we're going to look and see what else they have. Come on. Let's see, this is $35. It was $50 and now $35. That's good. Over here is some drywall. This piece is $2. So you see there's a lot of different cabinetry here. There's a lot of things that you can look at, see what you want, make sure it's the right size. We brought a tape measure. Hold on. So you can measure everything, see what you need, try to find it. Exciting! We bought this. They just put it out on the floor and we bought it right away. Here's the sold sticker. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We bought a lower cabinet for the kitchen sink to go in. We're going to put the wood top, and I think that will work. And also, I didn't get to show you because we were running around. We bought a table, and I think we're going to try to cut it in half. It stands up about this tall, and I think we're going to cut it in half. And once it's cut, we're going to use it for the dining table. Now, Summer and I haven't decided if we're going to use it like moving it up and down or if we're going to leave it stationary. So it was $5, and I thought that was a good try. $5, it's worth the try. If it works, yay. If it doesn't work, $5, that's okay. So we have come to a store called REI. It's a lot of camping, rock climbing, all kinds of different activities, canoeing, lots of different things that you can do outside. And we were walking by. Now, this is the place that we were looking for that freezer fridge combo. Remember that? We were talking about that. We were debating on whether to get the tall fridge or this one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Ready? So it's about this long, and the refrigerator side's this side. Come closer. So you got two sides here. And the freezer side is on this side. You have this top part, and then you take that out, and you have a little bit on the bottom. So that's what we were talking about, because the tall fridge, we would lose kitchen countertop space. And this one, the counter can go right on top, and this slide out from underneath. We're going to put it on guides, and it could slide right out and go back under. This is the cost, the price tag here. Come here. Dual zone, $1,300. So I think that's pretty good. Now this store in May is going to have a sale if you join their club. And so I think we're going to go ahead and join the club, and then that way we'll get a discount in May. So that's our plan, I think. So we've come to another store. This is like the Habitat ReStore. Remember, I showed you that earlier. This is a little bit different. This is called the Mat-Su Valley Rebuild. It's very similar, kind of the same. We'll show you around. I'll video some stuff and show you all the different things, whatever you're looking for to build. This is $40. This one is $10. This one is $2. Yeah, so pretty cool. A lot of different things, for whatever you're needing, whatever you're looking for, parts, anything that's used, it's a good price, it's cheaper. So, yeah, we just thought we would show you what Summer and I do when we're looking for things for Eva. Okay, well, bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe and to click the bell to get notifications. See you next week on Thursday. Bye. Hello. We wanted to ask you guys, because in 2 weeks we're planning on doing a question and answer. Meaning you guys type comments down below on YouTube or on our Facebook Traveling CODA page. Ask us what you'd like to know about us. What you want to know about anything. You can go ahead and ask us, and we're going to answer it in a video in 2 weeks, okay? Yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.